Hi everyone, Mathole Bob here. Today I want to talk to you about the Google and the googolplex. How many of you know what a googolplex is? And those of you who said yes, do you really know what you're talking about? Do you really know what a googolplex is? Alright, well if you do or you don't, I'm going to show you. Okay, so now a Google is a 1 followed by 100 zeros. Okay? I can write out a million. I'm going to start out by writing 1 million. 1 million is 1 followed by 6 zeros. Okay? 1 million. It goes 1 followed by 6 zeros. Now, a Google is a 1 followed by 100 zeros, which I don't have really enough space on this board to write out. I do, but you get the picture, what a 1 followed by 100 zeros would look like. So I'm going to use the shorthand 10 to the 100 as a 1 followed by 100 zeros. Now let's talk a little bit of comparison. How many stars are there in the observable universe? Around the order of 10 to the 21. And 10 to the 21 is far less than 10 to the 100 by factor of 10 to about the 80th. It's minuscule. The number of stars in the universe is minuscule when compared to a Google. And I'm sorry, I did write 100. That's actually 10 to the 100. 10 to the 100. Okay? Now, if we want to think about the number of protons in the universe, that's only about 10 to the 78, which is still far less than a Google of 10 to the 100. The bottom number is the number of protons in the observable universe. Now, if we look at a googolplex, that's not a 1 followed by 100 zeros, but 1 followed by a Google zeros. And a Google is a 1 followed by 100 zeros, and you're raising that to a power. You're raising 10 to that power. It's huge. It's astronomical. But we can write that as 10 to the 10 to the 100. Right there. That magic number right there at the very bottom in the space all by itself is the googolplex. The queen mother of, I was kind of going for like a line from the Christmas story. The queen mother of dirty words. You know that movie? It's a great movie. If you haven't seen it. I got a friend that actually looks like Ralphie from that movie. But anyway, so that is a googolplex. Now, let me ask you this question. How far from infinity is a googolplex? The answer is infinity is just as far from a googolplex is just as far from infinity as the number 1. And I must give credit where credit is due. I learned that nice fact from The Cosmos by Carl Sagan. So, pretty much, yeah. Have a great day. I hope you know what a googolplex is now.